Hello, my name is Pat Williams and I'm here to tell you about the Stories Workshop. In many ways it's unlike other workshops in the HG repertoire, although in fact the content underpins all of them. You'll also find no PowerPoint during the day, or little you could call theoretical, though lots of practical information and instruction are there, because what we'll be doing is what humans have done since the dawn of speech, using stories to help people out of difficult situations or negative states of mind. Indeed, as by now most people know, our minds are actually wired for narrative and story before we're even born. It's deep in our biology. It's that natural. What's more, stories enclose patterns within them, and our minds are, as we also know, pattern-matching instruments, which means that when someone is repeatedly matching to a maladaptive pattern, we get disturbance of the sort which can drive them into therapy. So the workshop is designed to show you how to find stories and narratives with more adaptive patterns to override those harmful ones. And it will also help you understand how to choose which story will be appropriate with which client, and how and when to tell it, so that it goes in and does its work. The day is structured in such a way that your creative metaphorical mind will be functioning more and more actively as time passes, so that at the end you might even experience for yourself the difference the right story can make to an individual, life-changing on occasion. Indeed, telling the right story in the right way at the right moment is a highly effective and non-invasive instrument for healing, and also, as you'll see, for diagnosis. There are plenty of exercises during the day to give you confidence, but please don't worry, you will not at any point be asked to stand up and tell them in front of an audience. And finally, perhaps because of all the narratives and interaction and stories, many people seem to find the whole event fun, light-hearted, stimulating, absorbing, informative, even mind-changing, inspiring. Obviously, those aren't my words, but those often fed back by delegates commenting on the day. So to sum up, storytelling is an incredible tool for therapy, in education, in our families, for our children, and for life itself. Thank you.